What's up YouTube, it's Hip Hop channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about Queen of Hip Hop Nicki Minaj. You know guys that Nicki Minaj officially announced the launch of her own record label. On March 3, during an episode of her Queen radio show, Nicki announced this big news. She didn't say the current name of her new label but said that she will do the record label 100%. Also guys, this week Nicki Minaj was very busy because she was promoting her upcoming album, while Nicki Minaj promoted her new project with a flurry of social media activities, which includes Nicki Minaj showing off her ample assets. Some people, I'ma say haters of Nicki Minaj, believe that assets are made to look ampler through the use of Photoshop. Today I will show you guys people's reactions. People believe that Nicki Minaj using Photoshop, so you can check out posts on the screen. Someone says, I know this lady's editing team is sick of her, and you can also check out the rest of the allegations. So not after so long time, Nicki Minaj went to Twitter to respond to all of these allegations. So Nicki Minaj says, Photoshop them bars, Photoshop them sales. As you see guys, Nicki Minaj didn't respond directly her Photoshop allegations, and who cares if she really are using Photoshop? Most of the people, and especially celebrities, are using Photoshop, and it's not new and it's not tragic. If Nicki uses it, let's use it and don't make panic. So guys, before I finish the video, let me ask you a question of the day. Tell me, do you think that Nicki Minaj is using Photoshop? And if you think so, tell me if it's a problem for you. Write your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned, subscribe, YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit the website hiphopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.